Hello student, I hope all are you fine. Myself Mukesh Gangwar, your physics teacher from Brahmadatta Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Bilaspur. Dear student, this video for the class 12th, subject physics, chapter number 3, current electricity. This is the second part of this chapter. So dear student, in previous video we were discuss about the current, electric current, free electrons and unit of current, unit of charge and direction of current, EMF of cell, and today we are discuss about the Ohm's law and any other physical quantities. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law is the derivated by the George Simon Ohm. So this law is called the Ohm's law by the regards of the George Simon Ohm. The current flowing through a conductor, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to directly proportional to the potential difference potential difference applied across its ends. Then provided the temperature and other physical conditions remains unchanged. Okay students, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its end, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remains unchanged. Thus potential difference is directly proportional to the current, and V is directly proportional to the I. We are eliminate the sign of directly proportional and we are using a some constant. V is equal to IR. Where R is the resistance. R is the resistance of a conductor. Okay students, then the graph between V and I is always a straight line. V and I is always a straight line. Then the graph is always a straight line between V and I. We are called the verify the Ohm's law. Okay students, I hope you understand the Ohm's law. Next topic है resistance. The resistance of a conductor is the property by virtue which is oppose the flow of charge through it. किसी भी कंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो उसमें चार्ज फ्लो होने का अपोज करती है, उसी को हम रेजिस्टेंस कहते हैं. द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर the resistance of a conductor is the property by virtue of which it oppose the flow of charge through it. The flow of charge through it. The resistance of a conductor is the property by virtue of which it opposes the flow of charge through it. Okay, student, and we are mathematical definition of the resistance or the ratio of the potential difference applied across the conductor to the current flowing through it. Okay, is called the resistance of that conductor. It is denoted by capital R. If a potential difference B applied across the end of conductor and I current flow in the conductor, then the resistance of the conductor R is equal to V upon I. Unit of the resistance, unit volt per ampere or ohm. It is denoted by a Greek word ओमेगा. कैपिटल ओमेगा से इसको शो करते हैं ओम को. एंड डायमेंशन ऑफ वोल्ट ml स्क्वायर t माइनस 3 a माइनस 1 अपॉन एम्पियर A. Then the dimension of resistance ml square t minus 3 a minus 2. Okay, students. Student, how can define the unit of the resistance of 1 ohm ohm, we know that R is equal to V upon I. If V is equal to 1 volt, I is equal to 1 ampere, then R is equal to 1 ohm. R is equal to 1 ohm. Okay, students, if 1 volt of potential difference applied across the conductor and 1 ampere current flow in the conductor, then the resistance of the conductor is the 1 ohm. Then the resistance of the conductor is 1 ohm, or thus the resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm. 1 ohm. If a current 1 ampere flows through it on applying a potential difference PD of 1 volt across its end. यदि किसी कंडक्टर में कि अक्रॉस 1 वोल्ट का अप्लाई पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाइड करने पर उसमें 1 एम्पीयर की करंट फ्लो होती है, तो उस कंडक्टर का रेजिस्टेंस 1 ओम होगा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, डियर स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द कंडक्टेंस. द कंडक्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर is with which electric charges flow it. Then it is equal to the reciprocal of its resistance. The reciprocal of resistance of a conductor is called the conductance of that conductor. It is denoted by capital G. The reciprocal of resistance of a conductor is called the conductance of that conductor. किसी भी कंडक्टर के रेजिस्टेंस के रेसिप्रोकल को उसकी कंडक्टेंस कहते हैं. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय जी. इफ ए कंडक्टर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कैपिटल आर, then the conductance of the conductor G is equal to 1 upon R. G is equal to 1 upon R. Unit 1 upon ohm. It means ohm inverse. Dimension of conductance 1 upon ml square t minus 3 a minus 2, then m minus 1 l minus 2 t3 a square. Okay students, I hope you are understand the resistance and conductance of the conductors. Next topic, resistivity or specific resistance of the conductor. The resistivity or specific resistance of the conductor is the ratio of the intensity of electric field at the point of conductor to the current density at that point is called the specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. It is denoted by rho. The ratio of the intensity of electric field at that point of the conductor to the current density at that point is called the specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. It is denoted by rho. Then rho is equal to E upon J. Okay students, we know that E is equal to B upon L and J is equal to I upon A, current density. Then the resistivity of the conductor, rho is equal to V upon L, I upon A, then B upon I into A upon L. Then rho is equal to V upon I is R A upon L. Okay students, rho is equal to R A upon L. Understand, the ratio of the intensity of the electric field at a point of the conductor to the current density at that point of the conductor is called the specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. It is denoted by rho. Rho is equal to E upon J, the intensity of electric field E and the current density J. And we know that the E is equal to V upon L, potential difference upon length, and J is equal to I upon A. Then the value of E, V upon L, and the value of J, I upon A, V upon I is into A upon L. Then we know that the V upon I is equal to R, resistance of the conductor R. Then the resistivity or specific resistance of the conductor R is equal to rho is equal to R A upon L. Okay students, rho is equal to R A upon L. If and the unit of resistivity, unit of R ohm into area मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन लेंथ मीटर से मीटर कैंसिल हो जाता है तो यूनिट बचती है ओम मीटर and dimension of resistivity of space or and specific resistance of the conductor. Resistivity, the dimension of resistance m l square t minus 3 a minus 2. Okay students, and dimension of the meter length l. Then we find we get the dimension of resistivity of specific resistance ml 3 t minus 3 a minus 2. Okay students, then the second definition of the specific resistance and or resistivity, we know that rho is equal to r a upon l. If l is equal to 1 meter and a is equal to 1 meter square, then rho is equal to r. Thus the resistivity thus the resistivity or specific resistance, the resistivity of a material may be the resistance of a material as the may be defined as the resistance of a conductor of that material having unit length and unit area of cross section unit area of cross section. Okay, or we are easily, it is the resistance offered by the unit Q of the material of a conductor Okay students, these are the defined as the कहने का मतलब है ये है 1 मीटर लेंथ की 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन का जो कंडक्टर होगा उसका रेजिस्टेंस स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस कहलाता है. इट इज़ द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफर्ड बाय ए यूनिट क्यूब ऑफ द मटेरियल ऑफ ए कंडक्टर is called the resistivity or specific resistance of the conductor, material of the conductor. Next topic, conductivity. Conductivity, The reciprocal of the resistivity of a material is called the conductivity. The reciprocal of the specific resistance or resistivity of a material is called its conductivity. Okay, it is denoted by sigma. The conductivity sigma is equal to 1 upon rho. Okay. Unit of 1 upon ohm meter. It means ohm inverse, meter inverse. Or Maho meter inverse. साइमन मीटर इनवर्स, बहुत सारी हो सकती हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डायमेंशन 1 upon the specific resistance ml is 3 t minus 3 a minus 2, then opposite m minus 1 l minus 3 t 3 और a t3 a square. Okay students, this is the dimension of the resistivity. We know that rho is equal to E upon J, then sigma is equal to 1 upon E upon J, then J upon E, and J is equal to sigma E. Okay students, J is equal to sigma E. This is the vector form. J is equal to sigma E. This is the relation between current density and conductivity. I hope you are understanding the resistance in this topic and chapters. So goodbye dear students.